Hey y'all, welcome back to Life on the Ridge. Today we're working on our chicken coop. We decided to go with the A-frame style. So I'm just gonna show you what we're working on, just kind of give you some ideas. We're building the base out of treated 2x4s. This will be 12 foot long by 8 foot wide. I cut my little notch here, kind of at an angle, so when we pull this thing, it's gonna be this is gonna be a chicken tractor coop deal. They won't be stationary. We're going to put them out in the field and let them eat grass and bugs and all kind of stuff, so we will move it. So that's the reason I cut these angles right here, so we can move it. So I forgot to hit record, and anyways, this is what we got done so far. So after we framed the bottom, which you saw, we framed our top here. Like I said, we're going with the A-frame style, and got all those put up. This is 8 by 12. That's what we got so far. I'm trying to make use of scrap wood I've got. This is actually some old pallet wood, using that as the lathing for our metal. This half will be covered in metal. This half will be open to the sun, so they'll have plenty of area to roam. All of this will be open. It'll be open air coop. So, yep, it's coming along nice. Alright, chicken tractor day 2. So yesterday we got it all framed out. Got the back of the coop built. We come in here and build some nesting boxes. You know, I'm going to do some roosting bars. And get our metal put on. Put our, this 2 sections here will be covered in chicken wire. And then frame us up a door in the front, and that's pretty much it. Let's get to work. Chicken tractor update. Moved it under the porch because it's hot. We got the door framed up, and now we're ready to put some metal and some wire on. Here's the nesting boxes. It's coming together. I will say it is heavy though. Alright, so here is the final product of the mobile chicken tractor coop. Turned out nice. Took us 3 days, wasn't 3 full days, but working on it in the mornings. Trying to stop by a little after lunch because it's getting hot in Mississippi. I'm talking about hot. But yeah, it turned out nice. Got our little door here with our latch. Go on in, take you in for the tour. Got our nesting boxes back there. Roosting bar, and another roosting bar. This enclosed area from here to there, 6 feet. Here to here, 6 feet. So total 12 feet. All right, so coming around back here, we've got our little door so we can raise over this and reach in and get our eggs when they start giving us eggs. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nesting boxes. These two here are 12 inches wide, and I made the other ones just a little bigger, 16 inches, 16 inches, and 16 inches. But yeah, there's the mobile chicken coop tractor. Hope this maybe gives somebody some ideas. This is not my design. This is just something I seen on the internet, and this is what we liked. So this is what we went with. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.